Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a common problem that many people encounter when working with technology. The issue at hand is how to solve the problem of not being able to access a specific application on your device. It can be frustrating when you really need to use that app, but it just won't open for some reason. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. In order to fix this problem, the solution is to first try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders and clear up any glitches that may be causing the application to not open properly. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check for any available updates for the app. It's possible that there's a bug in the current version you have installed, and updating to the latest version may resolve the issue. If restarting your device and updating the app doesn't do the trick, the final solution is to uninstall and then reinstall the application. This can help refresh the app and eliminate any underlying issues that may be preventing it from opening. After reinstalling, try opening the app again to see if it now works as expected. To sum it up, when you're faced with the problem of not being able to access a specific application on your device, try restarting, updating, and reinstalling the app to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. We hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tech troubleshooting.